What's up, guys? Welcome back. Well, today we got a serious problem. Not too serious, but my idle pulley on my car is going out. Some wear and tear on her. So I'm gonna show y'all how to replace her. Well, we'll see how it goes. It's pretty simple, but this video is just so if y'all don't know. But well, let's get into her. First off, you gotta find you a socket. Fit that right there. You gotta loosen up the tension, get the belt loosened, then we'll loosen that up. First off, let's loosen that up so we can get the belt loosened. After that, you gotta find one that'll fit the idle pulley, loosen her up, take her off. Really ain't too tight on there. About half a twist, you know. So what she looks like. This is the bad one. Not too bad, but yeah, she's there. That one's a bad one. This one's a good one. Side by side. Bad one, it's not really too horrible, but you know, still don't hurt to change it. Good one definitely will do a lot better than that one, so let's put her on there. Prefer to put the bolt through there first, you know. Put her in there. Get her through there, pop her through, put her on. You don't want to go too tight with it, or else, you know, she won't spin or anything. So, about pretty much half a crank or so. She ought to be good. And we got to put the belt back on. And that, guys, that's how you pull on an idle pulley on a 99 to a 04 Mustang. If y'all have any questions, put down in the comment section. I'll try my best to help. And if y'all enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank y'all. See you next time.